Tim? What are you doing?
I can explain.
Are you watching the soap opera without me?
Listen, you were just... Yes?
There's no excuse for what you just did.
You were over there. You know, over there doing your thing.
I was microwaving my cheese burrito.
You know, we can just talk about this.
No, we can't. We can't. Stand up! Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna settle like men. 1, 2, 3, go. No, go, go.
Oh, God! Ah!
Oh, man, I missed. Okay.
I got something coming. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna blow your mind again. No, come on. It isn't Christmas anymore. Let it go!
You just don't have the Christmas spirit!
Maybe I don't. Maybe I'm not supposed to have Christmas spirit in February.